fridge is playing up. So we rang the brother-in-law. Pan over there and show him. Everyone else has left. And probably see the few choice words I had about my fridge. And he said stick a fan in there. You need to go and get a little fan. Well, we don't have a fucking little fan. So we've got this fan. And what's happened is the little fan in there has stopped working, which was getting hot, and our fridge was sitting at about 8 or 9 degrees. So I've got this until I go to Bunnings tomorrow to get a fan that I can mount in there and blow onto the radiator. And that way then, well, our fridge is already coming down in temperature. I'm not being a mechanic myself. I thought, well, that's pretty good, it's working anyway. I can touch that. I couldn't touch that before, it was that hot. So, compressor fridges are good until they pack up.
Bush mechanics.
Bush mechanics, yeah.
Old school.
But it looks like it might rain tonight. I don't know if this fan will like water on it, but the fridge is more important than a little fan.
And tip number 2, bring a second extension cord.
I left the other extension, so I've made up a couple of things here. It's working anyway, that's the main thing. Yeah, it's under the van, it shouldn't get wet. Power board, and another one, I got my, what I usually use for the Caravan. These are good. Everyone should get one of these. They're like a surge protector, but they keep everything dry when it's closed. But it's good value. But it's working. The fridge is coming down. It was at 9. It's down to about 5 now, just below, just on 5.
Taking what, half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour. Here we are thinking the fridge was fucked and I'm going to have to go and get a new fridge. But it's the fan inside there, the radiator and the compressor is getting hot. You don't want to blow that up apparently, then they cost a fortune. Touch wood, it works. Seems to be. Plus we got a roast lamb on, so we're having that.